Our schools are the safest place for our children, and data has shown us that even during COVID, there was an increase in violence against kids. And the same will happen post-Hurricane Melissa if we do not get our safe spaces up for our children. With the system stretched so thin, schools are always in need of support, and ongoing capital programs can only do so much. When Hurricane Melissa came, 690 schools reported damage with roofs, classrooms, office, plant life, furniture, water tanks, books, and other learning resources gone. Some schools left with nothing at all. The need is enormous. Our schools are more than buildings. In many communities, they're the economic drivers and the place all children get their meal provisions and psychosocial support that they need. Being chosen as a Sagicor Sigma beneficiary brings urgent relief. It allows support to reach our schools far faster than the government alone can manage, especially with the scale of the destruction we face. The volume of damage requires all hands on deck. And while we won't be able to tackle all schools at once, working together to restore safety and normalcy for our children is a great start. I'm asking every Jamaican to support the cause. Let's run for the West. Let's run for our children.